Say hi, Mommy.
No.
No, Zoe.
Is your Mommy's beautiful mouth?
Mommy's mouth hurts.
Hug.
Give Mommy a hug.
Hug.
She needs a hug. Bless you, Zoe.
I love you.
She said, I love you.
Mommy's got to get better, okay, Zoe?
It's scary.
Do you think it's scary?
Oh. 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 Oh.
What do you think, Zoe? Yeah?
Anyways, I used the bucket to drain all the spit from my mouth.
Yeah, and get her a little bowl or something.
Gross. Sounds like she needs it.
Yeah. All right, we're going to let Mommy rest, okay?
I do not remember leaving.
Leaving the hospital?
I just remember you put it in and then right away I said, I feel really dizzy and then...
I woke up and checked on the kids and that's how they were. They crawled in there.
Oh, you got her to go back to sleep?
Yeah. It took a little while, but I woke up and went and checked on them and then Danny had crawled in there.
I gotta go back to sleep.
Yeah.
Did you sleep with Zoe this morning, Danny?
Even though it's own bunny.
Yeah.
Right.
What are you doing here?
Oh, Zoe, no. All right, give Mom a hug.
I'm confused where we are.
Why are you confused? What?
Let's go upstairs.
You're back home after surgery, Jess.
No, it's not my home.
This is my home.
Mom's house in
Mom's
Alaska.
house.
What was Michael
Michael's in Alabama or North Carolina.
Alabama. House. I always keep forgetting that.
You had surgery and now you're back home.
No, Zoe,
At
you need to get
my
off
house.
Mommy. Mommy's house, Owie.
though? Michael.
Michael's not here, honey. You'll talk to him later when you can talk, okay? You can Skype with Michael later, okay?
Zoe, get off Mommy.
All right, give Mommy a kiss on her hand. Kiss Mommy's hand. Okay? Yeah, okay. We're going to let Mommy rest now, okay? Okay.
Just stepped on me.